You'll want to pick up a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree and a few wooden hangers from Walmart. Using a hacksaw outfitted with a metal blade, I'm scoring the metal hanger part close to the wood, then snapping it right off. Now I'm removing the wooden bars along the bottom of the hangers by simply pulling on them, then prying them completely apart using a screwdriver. To join the hangers together, I'm using 4 small metal L brackets. I'm positioning a bracket off-center to the middle of the hanger with the L shape facing inwards. Because I don't want the wood to split, I'm drilling the start of a pilot hole with a very small drill bit, keeping the hole quite shallow. Now I'm positioning the bracket in place and screwing it to the hanger by using short drill pumps. Next, I'm joining 2 hangers together with another L bracket. Now I'm joining them together as one. I'm flipping the hangers over so the tips are sitting on the table. This time I'm attaching all the new brackets to the other half of the hanger tops so I don't run into the previous screws. Next, I'm penciling in pilot holes, drilling, then attaching another L bracket positioned so the part sticking up can connect to another hanger. Positioning them together, I'm attaching the hanger sets to each other. Since there's some play in the legs, I'm slightly adjusting them to accommodate a pizza pan on top. Removing the pan, I'm pre-drilling pilot holes into all 4 hanger tops. Now the pan is being placed on top of the legs, matching pan holes to the drill leg holes, then attaching them together with screws. And the result is a super versatile piece that doubles either as a plant stand or side table or whatever you wish. The metal top gives the piece an industrial vibe, which meshes so well with the wooden hanger legs. I hope this inspires you to repurpose a few affordable wooden hangers and a pizza pan in a fun and creative way of your own.
Imagine creating your perfect garden filled with every plant, flower, and decor you could dream of. I've always wanted to plant peonies, but it's too cold where I live. With Garden Joy, you can bring your gardening dreams to life. With beautiful, real-life plants, decor, and landscaping materials, you can make your garden look more magnificent than you could have ever imagined. Not only can you design your dream garden, but you can also learn fun and interesting details about plants, flowers, and trees along the way to use in your own backyard. Garden Joy taught me that the crabapple tree needs to be planted in full sun and blooms in the spring. Do you need a break from dirt and sun? Garden Joy offers a cozy escape, letting you unwind as you build your serene sanctuary to your perfect specs. Inside the game, you can even plant trees in the real world. You get to choose where in the world that you would want to plant it. How cool is that? So what are you waiting for? Download Garden Joy for yourself today and let your creativity bloom.